Understanding air pump, a simple guide. Hello and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very practical phrase, air pump. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding these everyday terms is essential. So, let's dive in and pump up your English skills. An air pump is a device used to push air into something or to remove air from something. It's commonly used in different situations like inflating tires, balloons, or even air mattresses. There are manual air pumps, where you use physical effort, and electric ones, which do the work for you. Manual air pumps, hand pump, small, portable, and requires manual effort. Foot pump, larger than hand pumps, operated using the foot. Electric air pumps, compressors, often used in garages for car tires. Mini electric pumps, portable and convenient for small inflatables. Bicycles and cars, keeping tires inflated for a smooth and safe ride. Sports equipment, inflating footballs, basketballs, and more. Household items, air mattresses, inflatable pools, and balloons for parties. Understanding how to use an air pump includes knowing about air pressure. Too much or too little air can cause problems, like a flat tire or a burst balloon. It's about finding the right balance. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions. Check the recommended pressure for tires or inflatables. Be careful not to overinflate. And that's a wrap on air pumps. We hope this video has inflated your knowledge and helps you in your daily life. Don't forget, understanding these practical terms can make learning English more enjoyable and relevant. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.